It's just getting worse. You can see the hail on the ground. Yep. Hail coming down. All right.
Good morning. So we had an interesting evening or turn of events at the end of our Yellowstone adventures. We pulled up at the campsite, and the campsite, we pulled up out the wrong loop of the campsite first, so then we had to drive 5 miles to the right loop, and we get there and the showers are locked. And it says that they're open online and doesn't say anything about closures or anything. So that was very frustrating. And luckily we found someone who's letting us use their shower at their campground. Are you gonna get up? Good job. Good girl.
Yeah, sure. Get up. Pull yourself up. All right, Everly.
Good job.
Relaxing, enjoying the beautiful weather.
So, due to the weather, we ended up staying inside and having a really boring evening. We watched a lot of TV, we ate, and we went to bed early because we were bored out of our minds. The downside about having small children in a small travel trailer is that when they go to bed early or take any naps, there's nowhere for us to go if we can't go outside.
So I think the mouse got in through the crack in this that we left open last night, and the top of the storage compartment that creates the bottom of the floor has a diagonal cut.
It pooped on the bed right there. It was in the baby bag, so we're about to see if we can shake it out.
Laundry, all dried for $2.
All right. Everly. Hi. So we finally got back from the laundromat. We're just getting the bed all made up. We have dishes to wash. We have a bag of laundry to put away. We have to rewash dishes because the mouse got into the storage hole. And we have toys to wash. because the mouse crawled all over our baby's toys. And we've got the car super packed with bedding, more bedding, more a duffel bag of clean clothes. Everly's been really patient today. Morning, YouTubers. We're gonna start our morning off playing a little disc golf and petting llamas and goats. There's a green juice.
Looks good with the sun, I think.
So for our next juice, it's going to be carrots, ginger, some beets, and we have a bag of cuties. You can use any oranges you want, but that's what was at Walmart.